Hey, welcome to the Kimberley Cook's Kitchen. This is just magic. Now have a look up here because this is corian. Corian. Here, this is bamboo. This is where it gets really good. See the fridge? Great size. Now it's a fridge and a freezer and perfectly positioned because doors here, I can reach in, get anything out of the fridge or the freezer, and it's exactly there. I don't have to have an outdoor fridge. It's indoors, covered. Everything's perfect. Now, every great kitchen has a pantry, and your pantry is just here. It's huge. Let's see the outdoor kitchen. Now, this is where it gets really exciting because this is the Kimberley stainless steel cook's kitchen. It's just amazing. Over here, a 2-burner gas stove. Now, if you want wok or induction cooking, you just option those. But here's where it gets really exciting. This is hot and cold stainless steel. The whole kitchen stainless steel. Over here, you've got cutlery, crockery, utilities, all done for you. Over here, the longer barbecue tools, your cooking tools and condiments go in there. Fabulous. Hey, it's so easy for you to find out more information about how to get your Kimberley Kube because you can go to their website, which is kimberleykampers.com, kimberleykampers.com, and they will make it easy for you to get your Kube.